Hello. First and foremost, I would like to express my greatest pleasure for the successful planning and execution of ICANN 2024 in their 9th edition. They have penetrated all the difficulties and make this arrangement is very successful, and congratulations to the organizers. Today I'm going to share with you my research findings. One of my research findings entitled of development of a sunflower of derived surfactant for enhanced emulsification of heavy crude oil in the pipeline. This research has been penetrates all the difficulties and make the outcome of this research is very successful. I have three international industrial collaborators. One is the Eastern Unit Technology, Malaysian Technology Development Corporation, and one company from the Japan is Tamura Engineering Seal. So this product is commercialized. So today I'm going to share with you how the research starts from the lab up to the commercialization step. The background of this, with increasing energy prices and crisis and price drive to reduce carbon dioxide, universities and industries are in a real challenge to find alternative and cost-effective products to reduce the consumptions of the energy, because nowadays all the world they are looking for find alternative cost-effective products to reduce the environmental and the economic issues. This product is we are going to contribute the products to environmental and economic issues. One of the main problems of the transportation of heavy oil in the pipeline, there is a lot of issues because the component of the crude oil is a significant of the three different fluids: gas, water, and oil. So these, with the transportation in the pipeline due to the pumping station and due to the high pressure, so these three elements are separate in the pipe. When that's occur, the water is heavier than these three. So the water has, because the produced water of the has carbon dioxide, and that's caused a lot of damage in the pipe. So the first aim of the transportation of oil in the pipe, we want to the three products, water, gas, and oil, as come inside the pipe as a one unit. So this new product, my product, is the aim of this surfactant is make the crude oil inside in the pipeline as a one unit. Then this has also another application which is used as a fuel. So if you have a 70% of the diesel and you have to just take 30% water from any tap and just mix it and add 2% of this product, then you pour in any engine of the diesel car, that is used as a surfactant. I will share you later how the video of this car. So that is the main of the aim. So this is the process of how we start from the lab scale to the commercialization, pre-commercialization, then we go for the scaling up and we produce the products. Then we get the patent of this. We just got a granted patent. We got a free granted patent from this. Then we commercialize and we buy it. We got this one, the patent with the 1.3 million ringgit for the commercialization, and now the product in the market. And these are the patent of my research. Then the significant and the outcome or the finding of this research, this products had these 5 features. First, the product when you produce, we compare our production, our produced surfactant. This surfactant we compared with the commercial surfactant in the current in the market, and we found that it is very environmental friendly, economically competitive, technically is visible, then reduce 30% of the cost, because we introduce 30% water, so that's why the cost is reduced a lot. Then 60% of the emission, because we introduce 2 elements, which is the water, and water has no particulate matter, and the oxide, nitrogen oxide. That's why 60% of the. Then 90% is more efficient if you compare with the commercial surfactant which is there. So the aim of this project is the research to produce an efficient and sustainable oil surfactant for the stabilization of enhanced oil recovery or EOR. Then also to scale up our product and also to produce in the more commercial. And these are, as I mentioned, the feature, and we're going to show you the novelty of this. We introduce two things. We introduce because all the commercial and current surfactant in the market, the main product or the main material is the oleic acid. That causes a lot of price. So we reduce our product, the novelty. I completely reduce or completely replace the oleic acid and introduce sunflower. And that's why, if you see here, the novelty of this invention is the replacement of oleic acid by sunflower and PEG, polyethylene glycol. That is a cost reduction in the particulate matter and nitrogen oxide. Then also the technology is economically competitive, and I'm going to show you compare the price of the products. These are our activities, and I said earlier we have three competitors, there are three collaborators. One is the Eastern Unity Technology. This is from Saudi Arabia, the Tamura from Japan, and MTDC from Malaysia. So we have three competitive collaborators, and these are the very significant and the breakthrough of this product. We have reduction of the CO2 and reduction of the carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide, and that is, as earlier we claimed that 60% of the emission is reduction because we introduced the particulate matter and the oxide, kind of nitrogen oxide. Then finally I'm going to, as I said, economically competitive, technically is feasible, and environmentally friendly. If you compare, these are the five economically and five the commercial surfactant currently in the market, which is the Triton X100, Spain 80, Spain 83, sorbiton oxalate, and polyethylene glycol and polyethylene glycol 600 and 900. If you see the price of these, all the Triton X100 is $100 US. If you compare with these two, ours is only 80 ringgit Malaysia. That is a very significant the breakthrough of the products, and that's why we are very quickly penetrate and now our product is economically and technically feasible, and now we able to scale up and commercialize the product. And these are our as I mentioned earlier, these are the products, the patent, and this is the price of the price of the the price of and we sold it to the international company, which is Eastern Technology Unit. And also one of the application of the products as a fuel, we use one bus from our university and use that for the daily in order to test our the products. This product, as I said, we use 70% of diesel, 30% water, and 2% of this, and mix it. Then we pour in the bus. So we have the bus and as used as a. Then I will share you later with one video how then in terms of the grant, we secure 850,000 ringgit Malaysia for these products, which is the 850 ringgit Malaysia for the research research from the one of the company, Eastern Unity Technology. Then also we got 500k or 500 ringgit Malaysia for the research. So we are very proud to say this research is very successful in terms of the grant, in terms of the patents, in terms of the selling the patent and the performance of the product. Thank you for the watching, and hopefully see you next year. Thank you.